Hello students, today we are going to discuss the practical number 7 for subject IP class 11. The practical is we have already discussed 3 practical regarding calculating area and perimeter of rectangle and square and triangle. Now today we are going to discuss the area and circumference of the circle. So as usual, our class will first we will discuss the problem statement. We will discuss the problem, then we will uh, detailed discussion on detailed discussion on steps, detailed discussion on steps to solve the problem. Then we will discuss the Python code writing, and then we will do the execution in Python editor. Okay, so let's get started. So here we will discuss the problem to calculate the area and circumference of a circle, given that the radius is going to be taken from user as input. Okay, so you all know what is area looks like this. What is the circle look like this, and circle has a center, and then it has the distance between the center to this point. Let's suppose any point on the circumference. This is known as the radius of the circle. Okay, this is known as the radius of the circle. This center I am denoting it as O. Let's suppose if the radius of the circle is given, then we can easily calculate the area. What is area? Area is this one. This is known as the area of the circle. We can calculate the area of the circle if the radius is given. So we have a formula for calculating this area, and if you want to calculate the circumference is basically this one. This is the circumference. Like we have perimeter in the case of rectangle, triangle and square, we have the circumference in case of circle. So now we will see how can we calculate the area of a circle. So for calculating the area of a circle, what formula we need to apply? We need to apply this formula for calculating the area of the circle. This area of circle equals to 2 it is pi, this is mathematical symbol, pi r square. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating the area of the circle, where r is the radius. Okay, let's suppose r is given as radius. What is the circumference? Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, like this, 2 pi r, where r is the radius, and pi is a mathematical symbol which have a predefined value that can be calculated by 22/7, or it has the standard value 3.14. okay, so let's suppose the circle radius is given. Let's suppose I am solving a problem. Let's suppose radius is given as 7, then what will be the area can be calculated by 22 by 7 into what is 7 square, so 22 by 7 into 49, we can divide it, we will get 7. Just multiply 22 into 7 and we will get our area 154. Okay, similarly you can calculate the circumference can be calculated. Circumference can be calculated like 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, and the 7 cancel, so 44 is the circumference and 154 is the area of this particular circle. So this is the problem that we want to solve using Python. So let's see the steps how can we solve this using Python. Okay, first we will discuss the algorithm. Now steps we will discuss. First step is to take the radius of the circle as input from user. We will take the radius as input from the user, then we will apply the formula to calculate area and circumference. We already know the formulas. Area can be calculated. Here we need to write like this. Pi, we will have some variable, we will create some variable into r square. R square can be written using this statement, or you can write like this, pi into r. Okay, so both way it is correct. We will have a variable pi, and that will have some value 22 by 7, or we can say 3.14. okay. Now circumference can be calculated similarly. Circumference two into pi into r, like this we will write. Okay, in last step we will print the area and circumference. This is how we will write the code. Okay, now we will write the equivalent Python code and see how it will be working. So let's see. So here we are going to write the, first of all we will define a variable called pi equals to 3.14 because it is a standard value. Then we will take a variable called radius, let's suppose radius, and then we will take, radius can be a floating point number, integer also, so I am taking float. Input method, we will use enter the radius, enter radius of circle, like this. We will like this, then we will apply the formula calculating the area equals to pi into r double star 2, and then same way we will have the circumference equals to 2 into pi into r, and at end we will print the area of circle is, we will print like this area, and then we will print the circumference. The circumference of circle is, we will print like this, circumference. Okay, so this is how we will write the program in Python editor. Let's see in Python editor. We will execute this program. So here is our Python editor. We will write the code. So let's suppose we are having pi equals to 3.14, then we will enter radius equals to float input, enter the radius of circle, and then we will apply the formula for area equals to pi into r double star 2. R is actually radius. We need to, in previous slide while I was writing, I have written here r, so you need to write the radius completely because this variable should be written. Unfortunately, I have written r here in my previous slide, in which I have written the code by hand, so please correct this. Circumference equals to 2 star pi star radius. Here also in last slide I have written r, you should correct it. Now we will print the area of circle is, you will print area and print the circumference of circle is, we will print the circumference. That's all. Now we will run this by clicking on this run button. Just click on that. Let's suppose I am giving here the value 7 as a radius, then what should be the area? You can guess very easily. Area will be what? Pi means 3.14 into r is 7 square. So this will, you will calculate, and circumference would be 2 into 3.14 into 7. So whatever the value, this will be come whenever we enter here. Okay, so let's enter here, and here it is. You are getting the 153.86 is circle radius, and area of the circle, and circumference you are getting 43.96. You can calculate in your copy pen and you can see the result. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment or email me. I will get back to you, and hope you will write it and practice in your copy or in your computer. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.